Oh, hello. How are you? I feel happy. Let's begin our lesson. Please open your English notebook. I would like for you to do 3 things. Number 1, what day is today? What day is today? Please write today is in your English notebook. Number 2, what's the weather like outside? If you don't know, go look out the window. Please write the weather is in your English notebook. Number 3, I feel happy. How do you feel? Please write I feel in your English notebook. Okay, class, today I have a new worksheet for you to complete. This worksheet is about question words. What is a question word? Do you know some already? After you look at the worksheet, you will understand. Then you will watch a video slideshow about meal times. Please watch and respond to the questions. It's about meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and about the time. Remember that 30 equals half and 15 equals a quarter. You will also learn about AM and PM during this lesson. All right, students, that's it for today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.